Kenless daw ang new music video ng SB19 na Lawless. So a lot of 18s, fans and critics got a bit worried kasi kukonti lang yung screen time ni Ken or Philippe sa new music video nila and halos 6 seconds lang yung line niya. So a lot of 18 gave their own interpretation kung bakit ganito. Kasi a lot of people are syempre sanay that they are doing their dance breaks together and itong music video nga nila na Lawless, kokonti lang yung role ni Ken according to them at nasa loob lang siya ng TV at may hawak siyang rooster. So, I think that the design and the concept of Lawless was really intentional. Talagang sinadya nila na ganun yung design because the concept nga of the song and the meaning of the song is breaking the norms, rules, and boundaries. And since sanay nga tayo na mapanood sila always dancing together or always being together, they added this twist. At madami yung nakapansin at na-bother. And I guess that's the whole point of it. It's breaking the norms. Sabi nga ng isang 18, it is all about creative liberation and freedom. And hindi siya dapat biniview as something na negative or dahil dito ay magsiseparate na yung SB19 members or magsosolo na si Ken at magiging Philip na lang siya. Kasi marami ring mga tao yung takot na actually mag-disband ang SB19, even more so that ang dami-dami na nilang milestones sa career nila. So, palagay ko, SB19 is really more about encouraging people to open their mind and actually someone broke it down nga, nakita ko yung interpretation niya kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng Lawless na music video. So, sabi niya, Ken, feeling niya yung hinahawakan niya yung manok or rooster could symbolize the missing and forgotten. Kasi alam naman natin na may controversial issue about the missing and forgotten. So, alam niyo na kung anong issue yun. Then, feeling niya yung happy birthday sign naman is to symbolize yung stolen innocence and childhood of people who experience violence. So, yun yung interpretation niya dun sa happy birthday sign na nandoon sa music video. While yung Stel licking the phone is about those who overly consume information online and lose their human connection. While yung cake naman ni Josh could be feeding others or taking control of other people's resources. While yung phone naman na symbolism is about cutting communication and whoever is controlling the narrative. And then the imagery of the goat, which could be yung goat na eating grass or Pablo eating grass, could mean a lawless society who reduce society